Okay, this will be the last part of our tutorial for today. For this semester, for this subject, okay. I will give you tips for test 2. Okay, the first one you need to study about unit conversion, where you need to go back to the lecture notes and also tutorial exercise that is related to dimensional homogeneity and also dimensionless quantities. Okay, if you go back to this topic, you will know what kind of question that will be asked. Okay, and then number 2, calculation related to the change in pressure. Okay, specifically for manometers. So you need to go back to this slide, okay, and then make sure you understand about this topic, okay, manometers, and then calculation on energy such as kinetic energy, potential energy. We have do several exercise and also tutorial regarding these two. Okay, please go back to the lecture notes and also the tutorials. Calculation using mass balance. We have several questions that we have solved, which is related to mass balance. So go back, try to understand how to do mass balance, how to this is related, yeah, sketching flow diagram, okay, how to sketch the flow diagram, how to do mass balance, how to do energy balance, okay, how to do energy balance, okay. Yeah, so for energy balance you need to know how to read steam tables like I have shown to uh, all of you in I mean start from the last 3 weeks. I've mentioned about steam tables. You need to know how to rate specific volume values, specific enthalpy, specific internal energy, okay. And then last but not least, you need to know how to do scale up and also scale down, okay. Okay, this is the table that I will give to all of you. Okay, before that let me move my video. Okay, um, this kind of table will be given to all of you for test 2. So properties of saturated steam, pressure table. So you know that you will be given with a pressure, the value of pressure. So if in the question it mentioned about the value of pressure, you just look at this part, and then you need to know. You need to look at the question whether you need to find the value of enthalpy, internal energy, or specific volume. So this is the value of temperature. So here is the temperature. Okay, 300, 400, 500. This is pressure. Okay, temperature, pressure. Then you need to look at it properly, whether you need to find the value of enthalpy, internal energy, or specific volume. Okay, and then for this table, almost the same, but we have another kind of table where we have the pressure and the temperature, and then here you have the value of whether you need to find the value of water or steam. You need to look in the question properly. If you need to find the value of water, you look at the water value. Okay, this is the specific volume, infinite energy, and also enthalpy. So the table's name is properties of superheated steam. So this is superheated steam. This is saturated steam. Okay, so uh, in other words, uh, the question that might be asked to you um, will be consist of something that requires you to look at the steam table. Okay, so that's all for the tips, and I wish all of you all the best for your test 2 and also for your FYP. Okay, make sure you have enough sleep, and then I would like to take this opportunity to say sorry if I have made any mistake uh, throughout this semester. Okay, kadang-kadang kita sebagai manusia ni kita ada buat kesilapan yang kita tak sedar. Jadi saya nak minta maaf banyak-banyak sebab Saya pun manusia biasa, ada buat kesilapan. Ada rezeki, kita jumpa lagi. Awak pun akan pergi ke membuat internship lepas ni. Lepas internship akan grad, ada rezeki jumpa masa grad. Jadi saya rasa itu sahaja. Jika ada apa-apa yang saya terkurang, salah silap, terhutang ke apa ke, mohon maklum kepada saya. Kalau segan dalam grup secara personal, so that kita boleh menyelesaikan apa-apa yang tertunggak. Sebab saya pun tak nak disoal di akhirat nanti, apa yang awak dah buat, apa yang awak contohlah apa yang awak buat tu telah menyebabkan hati pelajar awak terguris, contoh, ataupun awak dah kurang memberi perhatian kepada certain pelajar. Okey, itu contoh, ada pelajar yang terasa kan kecil hati. Okey, jadi saya minta maaf, apa-apa macam saya maklumkan, mohon berhubung dengan saya. Kalau tak ada masalah pun, kalau nak benda perkara lain pun, contoh berkenaan dengan internship ke, apa ke, FYP ke, apa ke, insyaAllah mana yang saya boleh bantu, saya bantu. Jadi itu saja. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Take care and all the best everyone.